there, Tristina Dietz here, and I'm showing you how I do a pour painting. I'm adding some of the pouring medium into each cup and then adding a generous dollop of paint. Here I have the leaf green metallic, brilliant blue, the brilliant yellow, and some white. Now I'm blending the colors with that little bit of medium, and they will be thick, so I'm adding more medium until I get kind of a honey-like consistency. And I usually find that that takes about 3 parts of medium to 1 part paint. Each color is a little bit different in how thick it is coming out of the tube, so that's why I have to make little adjustments to the amount that I put in. Now I'm going to add a little bit of paint to the corners so that the paint, when I pour it onto the canvas, will be able to flow nicely. And now I've just added a few drops of silicone oil to 2 of my colors, the yellow and the blue, and then gently blended in that silicone. Then I took the palette knife and I just spread that white around the corners a little bit, and now I'm adding the colors that I'm going to be pouring into my cup. And here we go, the flip cup. It's my favorite part. And I'm going to wait a few seconds before I lift the cup up. And here comes the reveal. Oof, the colors are just so pretty. And I slowly tilt the canvas to either side. It looks fast here, but I do take my time because I want to maintain those gorgeous cells that just popped. And then I'm going to use my heat tool to just gently go around and get some of those little cells to come to the surface. And after you've finished heating it, you'll set it aside for 24 hours until the surface is beautifully dry and shiny. Look at how gorgeous those cells are. Thanks for watching.